Today I'm going to teach you how to add live chat to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to engage with your website visitors in real time and provide instant support through an AI-powered chatbot that learns from your website content. First, open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding with these steps. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Add New App to start creating your live chat widget. This will open up a catalog of available widgets and tools that you can integrate into your website. In the search bar that appears, type chat and then click on AI Chatbot from the results. This specific widget is designed to create intelligent, responsive chat interactions with your visitors, making it perfect for customer service and engagement. Now you'll see various templates available for your chatbot. Browse through the options and choose a template that best fits your website's style and needs. Once you've made your selection, click Continue with this template to move forward with the customization process. Next, you'll be prompted to input your website URL, type in your Squarespace site's full address, and then click Analyze. This is a crucial step because the AI needs to understand your website's content, structure, and purpose to provide relevant answers to your visitors. Wait until the analysis completes. Sometimes this can take a bit of time because the AI agent is thoroughly analyzing your website, reading through your pages, and learning about your business. Be patient during this process as it's essential for creating an effective chatbot. Once the analysis is done, click Publish to finalize your chatbot settings, then click Close to exit that window. Your chatbot is now ready to be embedded on your site. Now click the three dots next to your newly created chatbot and select Embed Code from the menu. This will display the installation code that you need to add to your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy this code. It's time to head back to Squarespace. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, look at the left side menu and click Website. Then under it, click Pages to access your site's page management area. Focus on the left side again and click Custom Code. This section allows you to add custom scripts and code to your website. From here, click Code Injection to access the area where you can insert third-party code. Now find the footer field on this page. The footer is the ideal location for your chat code because it ensures the widget loads after your main content. Paste the code you copied from ElfSite into this footer field, then click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You now have a fully functional live chat on your Squarespace website that automatically answers visitor questions based on your website's content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.